Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to rebalance your Fidelity Roth IRA. Rebalancing is crucial for keeping your investments aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It ensures your asset allocation stays on track, preventing any single asset class from dominating your portfolio. We'll walk through the steps to review and adjust your holdings within your Fidelity account. First, log into your Fidelity account and select your Roth IRA. You'll want to find the section that displays your current asset allocation. This view shows how your investments are currently distributed across different asset classes, like stocks and bonds. Compare these actual percentages against your original target allocation to identify any significant drifts. Once you've identified areas needing adjustment, you have a couple of options. You can sell a portion of your overperforming assets and use those funds to purchase underperforming ones. Another simple method is to direct any new contributions into the asset classes that are currently below their target allocation, gradually bringing your portfolio back into balance. How often should you rebalance? Many investors find success with an annual or semi-annual review. You might also consider a tolerance band, rebalancing only when an asset class deviates by, say, 5% or more from its target. Consistent rebalancing is a key strategy for managing risk and staying on track toward your long-term financial objectives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.